Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created that really cool like Asian style feel look. So I'm using my full cover nail tips. I think that's from Easy Basket. I don't remember. I will try to leave the link for them. I believe I got them from Amazon. These are really, really nice tips, especially if you're going to make press-ons. That's why I bought them, as you see there. I have made press-ons for myself using other tips, but I think those are the best for me so far. I am using D&D gel polish. I think it's called Black Ocean. And I'm going to go over the nails. I'm going to do 2 coats of that. And then you're also going to see me use, I believe it was a Born Pretty opal color. I slowed down the frame so you guys can see exactly what I'm using. So yeah, right now I am just polishing, guys. Yeah, so I am using that Born Pretty Opal Jelly Gel. This is very see-through, but after 2 good coats of it, of course curing in the lamp for 60 seconds, I believe I cured it for I got this really nice milky white color, which I absolutely love, and I loved it in this design. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and do my second coat, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, kitty, so now I'm using my nail art foil glue by MAKARTT. Absolutely a must have if you love using transfer foils. It works really, really well. It works better than the other glue that we used. I don't know, I used to use the one where you put it on and it goes on like opaque, and then you had to like wait a few minutes, and then when it was completely clear, and then you would like go in and do the foil. But sometimes it was hit or miss, or you know. This one actually works really well. And in this video, I am showing you guys my stamping. I believe I got that stamping plate from, I can't remember, but I will try to leave the link down below. And I'm using my Born Pretty stamping polishes. And I left in my fail. This first attempt was a fail. I didn't get it all the way, so as you can see, I took my lint brush and just removed it. That's the best way to get that off of your jelly stamper. And I went in and tried it again, and this one came out a little bit better. And yeah, you'll see me go ahead and stamp those bamboo bushes on the opaque opal jelly gel nail. Now guys, you're gonna see me go in and apply the transfer foil. Well, it's not really a foil, but the transfer art, I guess you can call it. And it didn't come out complete. That has nothing to do with the actual nail art foil glue from MAKARTT. It's because I was so busy doing the stamping, I forgot about this. So when you use this, I usually cure it for like 10 to 15 seconds. And then as soon as I cure it for 10 to 15 seconds, I take it out the lamp and I immediately put the transfer foil or transfer nail art paper. And then especially if I'm doing a full cover nail in the transfer foil, it usually comes out perfect. Okay, disclaimer, it usually 9 out of 10 times, 90% of the time it comes out perfect. I think this time it didn't come out so perfect. That was more user error. That was me, kitties. However, I kind of did like the fact that it came out a little patchy. I don't know, it gave it a antique feel, you know. I don't know, you let me know if you got that feel, because it kind of did. So it kind of worked out overall. And I will be leaving the link for these beautiful nail art transfer paper, foil, whatever you want to call it, because it's not really foil, but you know what I mean, guys. I'm going to be leaving that link in the description box below. I ordered it from Amazon, but you could tell it came from a China distributor. It did take a while to come. So, and I think I paid, the item itself was less than $3. It did take a minute. I would definitely order another set or maybe even 2, only because these are very, very pretty foils. Like, look at that foil. It's so gorgeous. And that strip that I'm using is all that came in the package. I got 6 transfer foils in that set, but they weren't as long. Usually if you get them individually, you'll get more. Or sometimes when it comes in those little containers, like those, and it has like 8 or 9 or whatever, I think it's like 8 or 10 different patterns, you get more of it. But I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get a lot. However, they are gorgeous, so I will be ordering more. Anyway, I'll be leaving that link below. And all I'm doing here, guys, to add the design element on the rest of the nails is I am using my little mermaid brush to put that nail art transfer foil glue in the places I want it to, so that the transfer paper can stick where I want it to. That's a good little tidbit. You just use it's a gel brush that I'm using. They're really cute. They have the ombre mermaid color, and then they have like a little mermaid tail fin at the tip of the brush. I don't remember where I got it from, but I guarantee you, and more than likely I got it from AliExpress. I will try to see if I did. I can't remember, honestly, but if you guys just I'm about to say Google, Lord. If you guys search in AliExpress like mermaid gel brush for nail or nail art, guarantee you'll find a whole bunch. I guarantee you. Once again, if you're ordering from them, it does take a minute. I am using my shiny gel top coat here. I actually really like the shiny gel top coat. It does leave the nails super shiny. So if you want to invest in that, you guys should. You can. I'm probably gonna buy another bottle of it. And then later you'll see me go in with the Max Nail Couture's gummy gel. You use it to stick on the large stone pieces. That it does work really well. I know you guys are used to me using Zulay, the bling adhesive. I love my Zulay. I am not switching back and forth, no, but it is good to get this kind of bling adhesive, only because it holds the bigger stones. And then what you can do sometimes is you can then go in afterwards with the, like I said, the Zulay, or that's just the gel, the glue I use, and just to make sure everything is properly secured, just going around it. But seeing as how these were just for fun and just for nail art and just for the purposes of making this video, and of course just having more beautiful things to display at my nail desk, I didn't feel the need to do that. I just went in with the gel top coat, and guys, I think they came out super pretty. Tell me what you guys think. Don't forget, guys, drop a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you so much for liking and commenting and subscribing. You guys are beautiful. I love you, kitties, so much. And until next time, bye, kitties.